Good stuff here on Girl Talk.
That's right, I have a line.
Yeah. I'm sorry. I'm like, lift and separate.
Bring me spot.
Much better than this, right? He's just in.
They're doing like the robot. It's like
Comical toys.
Hi, welcome on into Girl Talk. Thanks so much for tuning in. We have an excellent show for you today. We are filming here at the Vinery off of East Washington Avenue. We're going to learn from the owner later in the show, and it's going to be a fun time, so you have to stick with us.
Yes.
Right now, we're chatting with Rosemary, who is an owner at Premier Couture in Cambridge, and obviously, talking bridal. Thanks for being here.
Absolutely. Thanks for having me.
So we have some gorgeous dresses that we're standing in between. This is what you specialize in, of course,
Absolutely.
is helping brides find their special dress.
It is. Well, and helping women express themselves through dresses for all of the really main special occasions in their life. So obviously, bridal is at the heart of it. It's where we really started. And it's what we have a lot of passion for all of the different, prom, homecoming, moms, bridesmaids, but there's something different about a bride. There's something just very special about helping a bride finding the dress that she wants to get married in. And the dresses that I brought with me today are just kind of representative of just the amazing amount of styles and the diversity, and even in our collection and being a smaller boutique. This is a big favorite. It's kind of that bow. I know. It's the one that catches everyone's eye, and it's so funny because it's really very simple.
Yes.
It's kind of a boho style, so a little bit more organic, a little less fussy. The boho style tends to have, shorter trains and really interesting laces and things like that. So.
And that's what makes it so interesting. Although the fit or the style of it isn't big and extravagant, it really still has so much detail.
It does.
It's stunning up front, and the back is really beautiful and unique. And so I was just drawn to this when I saw it.
Yes, it is just something that and that you're drawn to, and then people and the brides who find themselves comfortable in this dress. I mean, you just see it. It is just all over them, and they are just so at ease in it. It's also very comfortable on the inside.
Oh, that's
so it's
bonus.
Yeah,
Surprise.
absolutely. It's one of those things where it looks great and it feels great, which is ideal.
Yeah, you can kind of see just because it doesn't have all the fuss, it's a very effortless dress.
It is.
Now, for those brides who want to be the princess,
right, a little bit
have
more
that as well.
classic look. You get your beautiful strapless sweetheart neckline, which is very, very classic. Beautiful lace work. Your classic bride tends to be drawn more to that kind of that traditional feel, which tends to be very, very flattering, very pretty, very romantic, and works well in lots of different venues. It's great in a church, it's great on a beach, it's great in a lot of places. So there are a lot of classic brides out there who are drawn to that.
this is your chance to be Cinderella. Take your opportunity if you want to, right?
And to make an entrance and to truly feel like a bride, like, okay, now I'm getting married.
Right. And isn't that interesting? That feeling is so different for everyone, and you really help brides walk through that, because that's the feeling that you're kind of going for, is wanting that dress that makes you feel like a bride. So interesting.
It is, and it is amazing how often women are surprised by it. And in fact, we tell people that when they are preparing to shop for a bridal gown, because we tend to tackle it like anything else, like any other major purchase, and it's just not. And so it's that, be prepared for magic. Be prepared to be surprised, because there's just different than everything else, and you attach to it emotionally in a way that you won't ever probably with a pair of jeans or even a car or anything like that. There's just something very special about a bridal gown. So we love for them to be prepared for the surprise and for the magic, which is important to keep in mind when you choose who you have come with you shopping, because so often people will do it on a whim, or they'll think they're just getting an idea, and they'll find themselves falling in love, and they're like, oh my word, my sister's gonna kill me if I get a dress without her here. So even if you're looking out there casually, we definitely recommend have the people who are important with you, because it's likely that that magic moment will happen for you, and you're going to want those people with you.
And Premier Couture is in Cambridge. Your store is absolutely fabulous. If you're not very close to Cambridge, it's worth the drive. Totally unpretentious, great staff. But you also have a bridal show coming up.
We do.
That you can see some of the items that you have.
Wedding Planner and Guide puts on, I think, the best show that I have ever been a part of or gone to, and it's at the Alliant Energy Center. It's a huge show. It's beautiful. It's so filled with great ideas. It's January 12th and 13th, and we'll be there. We have really fun contests there when people come and visit us, and we also have an opportunity for brides to save $100 on their bridal gown when they visit us at that show. So
not a bad deal.
It's kind of a win-win. You know, lots of cake samples, beautiful wedding ideas, and $100 off your gown.
Can I come even if I'm not getting married?
You know what? It's totally worth the price of the ticket. I kid you not. It's a great fashion show. The businesses in the area are amazing, and you can take that all in, whether you're a bride or not.
Cake and fashion, I'll be there.
Absolutely.
You guys are fabulous. Thanks so much. This is Rosemary Williams with Premier Couture in Cambridge. You're watching Girl Talk. We're filming here at the Vinery, and we'll be right back.